Hey guys, today we're making Mapo Tofu. This is partially inspired by my grandma, and we've tweaked it a bit to our taste buds because we can't handle spice too well. The key to this dish is that savory sauce. Alright, let's marinate the beef with salt, 5 spice, white pepper, sesame oil, ground ginger, and cornstarch. Try not to get the cornstarch everywhere like I did. Now massage the seasoning into the meat like you're kneading dough. Beef dough. Now I'm pouring out the juice from the washed shiitakes. Hey, I didn't notice she was making bunny ears. Next, just saute the mushrooms. Meanwhile, peel and grate the ginger. This part requires some elbow grease. I always consider this as my workout for the week or year. I got tired of grating the ginger, so I just sliced some pieces of ginger instead to saute with. And then I added the ground beef. Now let's make the sauce on the side while the beef is cooking. Add some miso into the soy sauce and shiitake mushroom juice. Mix that up and add some red pepper paste. Feel free to add more if you want it spicier. Now pour it over the beef. Then add some chicken broth. And get your silken tofu ready. Add some soy sauce, sesame oil, salt, and some rice wine. Mix, mix, mix. I added a little bit of garlic powder. And now let's thicken the sauce with some cornstarch. Pour out the tofu and gently fold it in. Now garnish it with some green onions. We use green onions that we grow at home. They're fun because they grow fast and they add a pop of green to our living room and food. All done. We added some chili flakes for a kick, but you can also add Sichuan red peppercorns, but those are typically only found at Asian grocery stores. And we serve this with rice and sauteed bok choy. There you have it, an easy, healthy meal to prep. Please like, comment, and subscribe for more recipes. Bye for now.